This demonstration will show you how SmartSCAN Invoice Processor for SAP can be used to register your documents automatically. Here in this first part of the demo, I will act as the vendor. And as the vendor, I would like to send 9 documents to every Denmark, the buyer of the different goods that are referenced in these invoices. I can try to open one of the documents, one of the invoices that I, as the vendor, has prepared to be sent, so you can see that it's an actual invoice. It's a pretty standard invoice for every Denmark, as we see. It has invoice numbers, invoice dates, it has amounts, and actually it also has a FIC code used for payment in Denmark. Now I want to send these 9 invoices to every, so they can get paid. So I go to my mail client, just as I usually do, and send these 9 invoices to every. That's it. In this second part of the demo, I will act as a bookkeeper, working in the accounting department at every. I'll start by opening up my SmartSCAN program. In this specific setup, I have an inbox, or actually additional inboxes for invoices. I have an inbox for HR documents, and I also have an inbox for real estate documents. What we'll focus on here today is invoices, and we'll focus on Danish invoices. What you should now notice is the numbers in these tabs: 0 for interpretation and 56 completed. So 56 completed means that during the day I have apparently completed 56 documents. This means 56 documents, invoices are now parked in SAP by this SmartSCAN system. But in just a second you'll see that now the 9 documents that I sent in the email while acting as the vendor has now arrived in this system. You'll see that some of them are already now being transferred. Transferred means that they are being transferred to SAP. And now, in just a second, all documents will be completed. So what did you just see? Well, you saw 100% automatically processed documents. I as a user, I as a bookkeeper, did absolutely nothing. Also, something you really actually didn't see was that the application was online with SAP. So when, for example, the vendor was recognized, well, the vendor was actually recognized inside SAP based on, for example, the vendor's phone number that was found on the document. And what this gives you is the most modern, time-saving and user-friendly invoice processing application on the market. The name is SmartSCAN Invoice Processor for SAP.